Maayong gabi, everyone. Happy Saturday. Ako si Kalika, estudiante and maestro. Ako, Natalu, Colorado. So we have been doing some language study today, so I just introduced myself in Cebuano. My name is Kalika. I'm a teacher and a student, and I was born in Colorado. Today we mostly focused on some language study. Today we did a couple more hours of formal language study as well as some survival Cebuano, so we can know what to say when we're out and about in town, and interacting with some of the locals and really doing the immersion part of this group project abroad. On our way to Mount Cuernos de Negros, which is the mountain where the falls and the springs were found, we did get to see a little bit of the countryside as well as learn a little bit about the geography. So it is sulfuric and it is volcanic, just like in Hawaii. So the red dirt and the water were a little bit familiar to those of us from the island. We were invited up to Dr. Washburn's family home today to meet with their family, and we were so gracious as well for the food and for their hospitality. And today's food of the day is grilled prawns, which in Cebuano is sinugba, sugpo, grilled prawns. I really struggled to peel the first one, but after that I got a lot better, and let me tell you, it was delicious. The food all around the table was really good, and we had a beautiful oceanfront view from the top floor of a restaurant just down the road. Well, that's all for tonight, so I'm gonna sign off. Bye, we'll see you next time.